Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. We got this brand new. Cody Carbone says more U.S. states are preparing to allow tax payments in cryptocurrencies like XRP. This courtesy of Zafe Crypto here on Twitter X. XRP isn't just a digital asset, it is becoming part of the infrastructure.
See this at the state level as well. I mean, we've already talked about the municipal bonds in New Hampshire. I think you're going to see more states start to replicate this. Can you pay your state and local taxes through Bitcoin, through XRP, through Ethereum? I think this is going to be, it's a copycat government system. Well, it'll be huge.
So governments getting into crypto payments for services like taxes and utility bills. That is going to be interesting. You know, if you can start paying your utility bill with USDC or RLUSD or some other type of stablecoin, maybe even your XRP directly, this changes the game for a lot of people. More people are going to start investing in cryptocurrencies, regular everyday people. If they do realize, you can make money off these types of assets, if there's an opportunity, if they see potential here. Right now, we've got one XRP going for about almost $2.21. It's at about $2.208. So we are slowly seeing the price fluctuate. Major banks like DBS Bank have also commented on the Ripple currency, as they put it here. This coming from Matthew Lany, Franklin Templeton's Benji Fund, and DBS Bank and Ripple, all connected to this particular announcement here. DBS Bank is using Ripple currency for the inflows and outflows of the Benji Fund. So the Benji Fund was created by Franklin Templeton. It refers to the Franklin On-Chain U.S. Government Money Fund, okay? One share of this mutual fund is represented by one Benji token. It is a tokenized money market fund that utilizes blockchain technology for processing transactions and recording shared ownership. So some investment details here. The fund invests in U.S. Treasuries, Treasury securities, cash, and repurchase agreements collateralized by the U.S. Treasury securities. It does not invest in cryptocurrencies. So it does invest in traditional types of assets. But guys, check it out down here. This quarter, we issue tokenized structured notes on the Ethereum blockchain. We also announced a collaboration with Franklin Templeton's Benji Fund to list it on our digital exchange. In addition, we are working with Ripple to use the Ripple currency for inflows and outflows to the Benji Money Market Fund. We have been tokenizing deposits for some time now and are seeing strong customer interest. So they're using what I'm presuming is XRP. I guess they did not know what to call it here. Nevertheless, that means, Ripple's currency. The Ripple currency has historically, it's been called that in the past. I guess Susan Anthony does bring up a good point here. Ripple currency, not specifically XRP or RLUSD. Maybe they mean RLUSD. I'm not entirely sure about that. I guess that's a good point. Is it RLUSD or is it XRP? In the past, obviously, we would have just assumed it was XRP, but now that the RLUSD has been launched, I guess it could be either. Regardless, wanted to thank Matt for that. Wanted to thank Zafe Crypto for the first one there. Thunes and Momo PSB bring real-time cross-border payments to millions of Nigerians, guys. Thunes, of course, a Ripple-enabled company, and now millions of Nigerians can now receive money from abroad instantly thanks to a new alliance between Thunes and Momo PSB, the fintech platform of Nigeria's largest mobile network operator, MTN. The alliance marks a significant stride attained by Momo in the expansion of the African and international remittance corridors, allowing Momo customers to receive funds from key international markets, including the US, Canada, the UK, France, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Israel, and South Africa. So another corridor being open here through this particular partnership. Momo users can now receive international funds instantly and use them for everyday needs, such as buying airtime, paying bills, sending money to family and friends, and digital commerce. See, this is the thing. These people in these countries, they just need to do everyday things that you and I take for granted in the West. Paying bills, buying cell phone plans, sending money to friends and family. If we owe somebody a little bit of money, we can send that easily to them. We don't actually need the cash to do that. But in these underserved areas, it has been very difficult. And so these Ripple-enabled companies are partnering up with other companies, local companies, to do just that, to provide the payment systems so that money can move seamlessly, efficiently, and most importantly, I think affordably. Momo PSB is a fintech platform and a member of Thunes' direct global network, offering a wide range of digital financial services, including payments, e-commerce, insurance, and remittances. As a subsidiary of Nigeria's largest mobile network, MTN Momo PSB provides millions of Nigerians with access to digital financial solutions anywhere anytime, anywhere. So they are the financial network. It's great to see that they're partnered up with a Ripple-enabled company, namely Thunes. Wrath of Conum, and also noticing this, Amina Bank, the first RLUSD user, has become the first international banking group to offer comprehensive crypto spot trading and asset safeguarding services to professional investors in Hong Kong. So guys, they have now been cleared for crypto trading. Swiss crypto-focused Amina Bank has become the first international bank to receive approval from Hong Kong Security and Futures Commission to offer institutional crypto trading and custody services, marking a major milestone in the city's push to attract global digital asset firms. Now, keep in mind, guys, Amina is an RLUSD user, so Amina's license arrives during a significant expansion in the region's crypto market. As reported by Crypto News, the bank reported a 233% increase in trading volumes on Hong Kong platforms for its first half of 2025 compared to the previous year, underscoring renewed institutional appetite following the city's regulatory overhaul. And so, because the RLUSD is a fully regulated stablecoin, it's going to be a lot easier for these banks to start engaging in in real world asset transfers, engaging in stablecoin transactions as well. Michael Benz here is Amina's Hong Kong head. He said the enhanced license positions the bank to branch out into private funds, structured products, derivatives, and tokenized real-world assets, which he expects to drive the next wave of institutional demand. So it looks as though institutional demand is what they are focusing on. Hong Kong is accelerating their bid, too, to become Asia's institutional crypto hub. So clearance supports Hong Kong's plan to separate itself apart from uncontrolled markets by creating an institutional-friendly, closely monitored digital asset ecosystem. I guess they're striving, and they have been striving towards that since 2022. And now we're seeing global liquidity access coming as Hong Kong prepares for new trading models. So it's also enabling this particular bank to engage in crypto trading, which, now they've got to go up. Their competitors go up against the likes of Binance, Coinbase, so on and so forth. So, it's an emerging industry. A lot of the legacy players are getting regulated, and now a lot of the banks are realizing they have to, change their framework in order to compete. So it's all great, I think, for the industry. We're just going to see more adoption and, more utility coins doing very well. Ripple partner Nubank has partnered with iFood. Okay, they've just joined forces to offer convenience and exclusive benefits with coupons of up to 20 Rand? Or no, I think it's 20 real, because this is happening in Brazil. So iFood and Nubank are announcing an unprecedented partnership to offer exclusive discounts to customers who pay with the Nubank credit card or via NuPay. That is for iFood applications specifically. Starting on November the 18th, which was last week, users will be able to take advantage of the benefits of the restaurant categories both inside and outside Hits iFood. And so this offers meals for about 20 real, which I guess is the equivalent. What is 20 real? The Brazilian real, 20 real is equivalent to about $3, almost $4. As you guys can see there. So again, helping underserved communities here. The joining of iFood and Nubank, two of Brazil's most beloved brands, provides unprecedented savings on the delivery app. By choosing the NuPay payment option for Nubank credit card, the coupon will be automatically applied at checkout. So great news there for people in Brazil who are using Ripple-enabled Nubank to utilize this service specifically. Down here, it says the partnership with Nubank shows how brands can use the iFood ecosystem to build relationships that truly influence behavior. This partnership reinforces our vision by combining intent, recurrence, and context data at scale. We create new frontiers of value and of value for sectors like finance, connecting brands to the decisive moments in our customers' journey. And so nobody's thinking about the back end, how this is being implemented. Of course, it is running on DLT technology like the XRP ledger. And of course, Nubank, a confirmed Ripple partner. So interesting to see that is what's happening now in Brazil. Great news there. Another one too, guys, from TerraPay. They've just launched Extend, a global payment interoperability network to power borderless payments for billions of wallet users. So another big milestone here for Ripple partner TerraPay. And this is happening in Dubai, okay? A leading global money movement company, namely TerraPay, they just announced the launch of Send, the first of its kind payments interoperability network designed to unify the fragmented world of wallets, banks, and cards into one seamless, borderless financial ecosystem. Send serves as a universal infrastructure layer, enabling wallet users to transact with 11,500 banks via the SWIFT network and access 150 million acceptance locations, all from their existing wallet apps. TerraPay's collaboration with inclusion-led partners like SWIFT powers Send to unlock seamless global interoperability, allowing wallet users to receive funds from any bank worldwide and make payments across extensive merchant networks. Well, they wouldn't be able to do that without the seamless XRPL integration into their tech stack. The Send network that is already live with over 200 million wallet users through leading global wallet players, demonstrates its ability to scale rapidly to its existing 3.7 billion wallet endpoints. 3.7 billion, guys. That is huge. And this is delivering real-time access to global banks, merchants, and other wallets. So we're just seeing another instance here where RippleNet payments through Ripple partner TerraPay is really helping the payment flow interoperability network to power borderless payments for not millions, guys, billions of user wallets. And, this has always been the case. We've always thought that, XRP was going to move all the money. I don't know if you guys remember the memes or videos from those early days. It was Evan Schwartz, I think, that came up with that. He was an old former Ripple employee from back in the day, I think 2016 or 2017, moving all the money. That is what Ripple has set out to do. And I mean, they're not going to take 100% of the flows. Nevertheless, we are seeing huge strides in 2025. So that's on the real world utility end of it. Guys, I also saw this. Apparently, Eric Trump is making America great again through Bitcoin. They have just set up an American BTC mining farm, okay? So this is what, the Trump family and the American government is investing in.
Hey friends, Eric Trump. Welcome to American Bitcoin. It's a little sneak peek of our facility in Texas using American energy to mine Bitcoin right here on American soil. We could not be more proud of this facility. 35,000 of these servers right here, all liquid cooled, securing the network, mining Bitcoin. Every single day we mine about 2% of the world's Bitcoin supply, and we safeguard it every single day. So when people say that cryptocurrency is intangible, it's not. It's very tangible. And this right here, guys, is living proof. Take a look at the company, come join us. We could not be more excited about our growth. I truly believe that we're building one of the great crypto companies anywhere on earth.
So that really is remarkable. I mean, I don't know. A lot of XRP community members are not terribly fond of Bitcoin. I don't know why. Bitcoin is the granddaddy. It is, the one that everybody is going to be investing in, including the U.S. government, so much so that they're investing in their own infrastructure to mine Bitcoin on American soil, as you heard Eric Trump say in Texas. So, of course, cryptocurrencies are going to rally based on supply and demand fundamentals. Right now, we are currently in a spec market, and crypto's Russ reminding us of that with this Cathie Wood clip. She says liquidity is going to return in December, guys. She even gives us a date here. Cathie Wood just gave us the clearest timeline we've heard. So is this when we're going to see cryptocurrencies like XRP and Bitcoin rally?
It would become half the market cap of gold. It would take some share from gold or maybe expand the market. Well, that market has doubled. So I don't think our bull price should change all that much. And I probably should have been quicker to say all things equal on CNBC the other day. So I just wanted to clarify that. We are very bullish on crypto assets, but we know that they are the most susceptible to liquidity drawdowns. And I described earlier, we have a number of reasons for liquidity drawdowns now, but we think that they will be cleared by the end of the year. And hopefully by December 10th, when the Fed eases. And hopefully when government statistics come back and we get the employment report in early December, which is the next time that I will have the pleasure of doing In the Know. So hopefully we're in the clear by then, and the bull market that we believe is firmly in place will continue apace.
So that's Cathie Wood's prediction by December the 10th, guys. Right as the Fed expects to ease, she reiterates that ARK's Bitcoin bull case has not changed. The only real pressure right now is the macro liquidity, not the fundamentals. And crypto does thrive on liquidity. We need to see more liquidity in the space to get these crypto numbers up. And currently, Bitcoin is the leader of the pack. I mean, it's doing okay, trading right now at 87,400 per coin. Is this a relief rally? or will Bitcoin set new all-time highs sooner than expected? For more information on where I think the market's going to go in the short, medium, and long term, you guys can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. Again, it is only $5 a month, more than most people spend on nonsense every single day. So check it out if you're interested. I also have the Working Money Channel merch store if you guys are interested in helping to support the channel by purchasing some Working Money Channel merch. Link is in the description of the video. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.